I'll be happy when? When I finish university, when I get a new job, when I quit that job because it wasn't actually that good, when I start a business, when I make more money, when I have a holiday, when I find a partner, or maybe when it's the weekend. Inside each and every one of us is a unique personal definition for what a happy life looks like on our terms. A blueprint for happiness.
Declan is a thought leader in the field of happiness and the founder of BU Happiness College, an organisation that is growing global happiness by empowering people with the tools and the team to thrive. As a published author, podcast host and international keynote speaker, Declan is actively bringing the skill set of happiness.
How confident and competent are the leaders of this organisation? We know leaders and managers have a dramatic impact on staff happiness. There's a beautiful saying, people don't leave workplaces, they leave leaders. So we went, what if we made workplaces happier? People spend an inordinate amount of their time at work.
More than we needed.
Having happy staff is a strategic advantage, and we need to help them get there.
Declan's talk today, one of the best I've seen in a long, long time. Found it very engaging, very, very interesting. He's got the research to support it. These just aren't his theories or thoughts, which makes it much, much more impactful, much more relevant.
I would unreservedly recommend working with Declan, whether it's Declan personally for coaching and especially as a keynote speaker. He's just delivered the keynote speech for us at our PKF Australia Business Services Conference on day one. Unbelievably well received, really pragmatic.